It's a season 1 reunion.
Yeah, we all grown up.
As soon as I saw it, I was like, ah!
We are conquering the world, friend.
Exactly.
So at the end of the season, we got together for our cast party, but the contestants just hadn't had enough. They wanted one last challenge, so we decided to do a remix. Each contestant was randomly given the name of another contestant to use their upcycle as inspiration for an upcycle of their own. This is gonna be so much fun and I'm super excited. As you guys know, we started out with 9 contestants, but only 7 were able to make it. Unfortunately, right before we recorded this, Nadia's grandmother passed away, and I just wanted to let Nadia know that our hearts go out to you, and I'm so excited to see you creating once again on your Instagram page. You guys go check her out. She is the one who used jeans to make that amazing long denim jacket and super cute bustier. Yes, so definitely check her out. All right, first up is Jess from San Francisco. During season 1, she used jeans and a man's blazer in order to make a trench style coat. The color blocking was absolutely magnificent, and the pop of yellow seam binding was just so fresh. She wasn't able to make it live with us, but she sent us a video.
Hi everyone, I'm so sorry I couldn't be there, but I just wanted to show you what my upcycle project ended up being. My inspiration was Helen's upcycle project from last season, and she created strips of fabric from denim, and then she wove them together to create this amazing skirt. And I thought the denim, the way that she wove it, it kind of reminded me of gingham. So that's how I got the inspiration to thrift all these gingham men's shirts. And I quilted each piece, and I made this really dope jacket. I've got pockets on the front that are big enough to hold 3 phones in case, you know, you have multiple phones. And I binded all the interior seams with, you guessed it, more gingham. So this is my project. Really excited to share it with you guys and share it with the world. I can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye!
And hey, if you are enjoying Next Top Upcycler, or if you enjoy upcycling in general, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you'll stay up to date with what's going on here, because we got some amazing things for 2022. All right, next up is Toni. She was our youngest contestant, but that did not keep her from accomplishing big things. She used jeans and tiny scraps of denim to create this amazing, look like stained glass sweatshirt. Yes, a denim sweatshirt. And she has a YouTube channel now, so definitely go check her out.
Hi everyone, I'm Toni from season 1 of Next Top Upcycler. I'm from South Africa, and mostly what I've been up to is school, because I'm studying to be an engineer, and that's been quite busy and taking up a lot of my time. But in any of my free time, I've been doing a couple of small projects. So if you check out my Instagram, you can see what I've been doing. And then for this secret project, I made this. Any guesses what it is?
So like kind of like a corset crop top?
Yeah.
It has like a mesh over top. That's a cool effect.
It is. It really
I want to say that it was inspired by mine, because I see them like the patchwork lines, but I don't know.
I
Nope,
guess
not yours.
Gina.
Good guess, but no.
Was it Helen's?
Nadia? It was actually Nadia's, yeah. So she made a bustier, right? And this is like my reinterpretation of, yeah, because it's actually reversible.
That's so cool.
Yeah. It was a struggle for me because it's not at all close to my style. I'm very happy in just like t-shirts and like shorts.
Love it. Good job.
Thank you.
Next up is our mom of 5, Valerie from Colorado. She used this really cool colored denim to create a perfectly fitted dress. And I mean, perfectly fitted. And as you can see, she's a toy lover. So after the competition, she really found her calling here on YouTube and on social media by using her upcycling skills to create doll clothes. She shows other people how to do it. She created this really cool do-it-yourself kit that she sends out. So definitely check her out. I'm gonna add links in the description box to her, all of her channels and everything, and everyone else as well. So definitely check that out below. All right, Valerie.
I actually made 3 things. Hi, I'm Valerie. I am a mama of 5. I'm a former costume and fashion designer and a doll collector. So what I've been doing actually is meeting more doll people and making fashions. And now I have clients, and I've been on different YouTube channels, and I've sent some garments and stuff. It's really cool, yeah. And I have kits that I made. This is for an 18-inch doll, like all cut out with all the pieces and stuff, and they just have to sew it together. My upcycle, this is one of them. This sweater, let me turn around. And this is the other one. It's actually a suit jacket, but what I did was this. It's Darth Vader, as you can see. I put a little bow in his hair, a flower, I mean. He has a voice box. I took it out, it was broken. My husband's gonna fix it. So he actually makes noises too. And then made a mini me version. And it snaps in the front, and then of course in the back, there's a Hello Kitty. So anybody can guess who it was.
I want to say me because of the trick garment.
Okay, no.
Is it Jess? Because it's also a jacket.
Here's a hint. It was kind of like a surprise in the back kind of thing.
Gina?
Toni.
It was
Toni.
Surprise, not
Yeah,
surprise. That's right.
Toni.
The fact that you put a music box, I'm so happy to see that.
That is absolutely amazing, Valerie. And I remember making the doll clothes with my daughter, and it's just so fun. There's not as many rules. Thank you, Valerie. And I just want to send a quick shout out to one of my video editors for my attire today. She sent me this at the end of last season. It just says Next Top Upcycler Season 1, and I appreciate it so much. She sent it after everything wrapped as a wrap gift. And I was wondering if you guys can come up with what do you think I should send this season's contestants and everybody who participated. What should I send them? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to see what you guys think. Okay, next up is our season 1 winner, Aldeide from Caracas, Venezuela. Even though she had a complete sewing machine malfunction at the end of the competition, she managed to create something I've never seen before, a denim patchwork shorts jumper. And she has continued to grow and blossom as a designer. Just watch. All right, Aldeide, it's your turn.
Hello, my name is Aldeide Sanchez. I'm from Caracas, Venezuela. Since the show ended, I could receive the prizes, and let me tell you, I'm working on that serger. That serger and me are best friends now. The inside of my garments, I could wear it inside out, and I don't care. It's a skirt, but denim, because I love denim. It's going to be part of my life. If you can see, it has like a kind of a butterfly pattern, and you could use it only the skirt, because I made it this for a skirt from jeans, because I really like this butterfly. I could use it as well on top of a dress. So imagine a dress, an all black dress, and put this like a kind of belt over it. Who was my inspiration?
Gina.
Gina.
Very nice.
I love it.
It was kind of obvious with the butterfly. I had to put some butterfly factor in it, because to be completely like sincere, when I saw the Gina's episode, I was bawling. I was so glad that I had to work with the Gina's inspiration. All the emotional factors that she put in their garment, and obviously I love asymmetrical garments, so it was the perfect fit. I love her episode. That was my interpretation of all the love that she gave to that garment, and all the emotional meaning that she put in her.
Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely. You guys are absolutely amazing. And of course, when you said butterfly, we all knew who it was. But even if you didn't say butterfly, the asymmetry
I could see it.
Yeah.
As soon as I saw it, I was like, ah. It spoke to me. Definitely.
And next up is Gina from Detroit. What up, though? You gotta say that whenever you say Detroit. And she is a woman welder, and she decided to use an old pair of her welding pants in order to create this asymmetrical, something I've never seen. Like, it's an over top, and you can layer it on top of other things. Super gorgeous. And as a fellow widow, I am so proud of how her fashion career is blossoming. All right, Gina, you happen to be next.
Some of the things that I have been up to, work with Detroit is Your Couture and the New York Fashion Week. That was amazing to have a design there. Just kind of working on G. Cully, really rebranding. And my daughter is now working with me as one of my illustrators. I can show you one of the t-shirts she made. She kind of did the little lifeline from when the spark begins all the way up to the terror. It's just kind of something fun to give women welders. There's not a lot of fashion in welding.
That is awesome.
My piece, I took more of an artistic approach because this designer, to me, they're so dope. Just their presence and the way they did their work, it just made it look so smooth, so effortless. And so I'm like, how can I capture that, but also, you know, pay homage to that? And the crying lady, it's tears of joy. I know they look sad. I hope that she feels it, and I hope that she likes it.
Was it Jimena?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you can read it, but she says, sewing helps me forget stuff, everything.
Tattooing that phrase on my forehead.
I love that.
It's definitely edgier than anything I would do, but I already know if I wear this, especially around the holidays now, people are gonna be like, oh my God, and I have to tell them, it's you.
Peter and I, we were so amazed about your approach of fashion, of the way you designed your project, because it was something new. You think it outside of the box, and it was like so new and so cool and so amazing, and it ended up being so nice that we were like, oh my God, did you see the Gina's episode?
Thank you guys, thank you.
I think it's absolutely amazing that you are representing women in welding. It's awesome. Finally, we have our best friends, Jimena and Peter, fashion designers from Mexico City. They even ended up next to each other in the Zoom meeting. I don't know how they managed that, but they did. So Jimena was the one last season who created the most pieces. I don't know if you remember, but she created that amazing patchwork denim coat with the pink fur inside. Yes, loved it. Pants and a top. Plus, she even created a coat for her dog. Oh my gosh, just such good work. And she's still doing amazing things in fashion. Definitely check her out below. All right, Jimena.
What I've been up to since the last season ended, my life really changed. I was single then, and now I have a boyfriend. I think Aldeide bring me a little luck because my boyfriend is from Venezuela.
We are conquering the world, friend. I tell you.
Now I live alone. I have my little sewing space. I have my space of my own. I have my brand. As you know, I've been selling a lot. I've been working in some projects from television also. Yeah, it's been a very busy year for me. And now I was very excited of this project. And you will see why I was so excited. I'm going to show you. I think you're going to know like this, who is my project.
Is it Peter?
It's Peter.
I don't see her.
Awesome.
Why I haven't seen the project.
That's why I haven't asked you for help, because it was like, oh, let's go buy some denim, and I was like, I don't know, Peter. It was made with a lot of jeans and a lot of shirts and a lot of stuff.
A lot of straps. So Peter, I love it.
I was like, how I'm going to capture Peter's essence in a project that, because we're friends, that because we work together in a lot of things, and I didn't want to copy of his work, just to take his essence and make something with tie-dye, make something with a little of, big things, and this was so.
It looks so much like you, but the tie-dye and the strap, it shows who your inspiration was. So great job. You understood the assignment.
You're right, Aldeide. It looks like a mix between Peter and Jimena. And and that is awesome.
I love you. I love you, Peter.
You guys are awesome. And Peter, who has been the only contestant in Next Top Upcycler so far to alter the color of his garment. He dyed jeans a bunch of different colors and put them together for a patchwork jacket that I really, really wanted to steal. He just released a new collection for his brand, Peter Wasp, so definitely check that out. So, right behind that is Peter.
What I've been up to is like, same as Mena, I have my own brand. I've been working in different projects. And actually, when was the voting week, I was shooting my online class that I have in Domestica. It's a tie-dye class. And I've been doing a small collection for that. I've been doing also working in styling, a project that was made here in Mexico, like a runway for artisans, Mexican artisans from different places. So I was working on the helping out, and it was like an amazing project. The final piece, I made two. I made everything of dark blue denim. You can see it. It's dark blue denim, and it's based off a biker jacket, sort of. And since the person that I'm inspired by, she uses a shirt to do the bias tape on the coat. I decided to use a shirt to do something else. So I created this, which is something that goes on top of the jacket. And I do like a prefit vest made out of shirts.
I love that.
Pieces.
Back it up and send it my way, please. It's incredible.
I like that so much. That is so good. Like,
Yes.
it was good before the puffer coat, but with the puffer coat, I'm just like, if you find it missing, you know I came all the way there to Mexico.
But the thing is, like, the first thing that I made was this puffer coat. And I was like, I like it. I think it works. I need to do the coat because Jess was saying a coat, and I was like, I have to do a coat.
It looks so sophisticated, so edgy. It's so put together. At the same time, you show your personality. I'm speechless. We're all shaking our heads like man, I don't know what to
we
say.
don't know what to say.
Yeah,
Exactly.
You should definitely put that one in your lineup.
Yeah.
What you're doing with Next Top Upcycler, it's not also like inspiring, it's also creating things that people want to wear. I mean, you can do it, maybe I can do it. And I think that's the kind of thing Next Top Upcycling is doing. Like, I see things and I'm like, I want to try to do, I want to try that because it's something like fun and it's amazing. And when you watch the process, it's like, oh, so she was traveling just like me.
Yeah. And you guys don't know, but like a lot of the people who are in this season, they only applied because of you guys. It was just like, oh yeah, I saw such and such episode, one of you guys' episodes, and they were so inspired. How have you guys felt about season 2?
Yeah, they're real good. I love it.
Everybody in season 2 is so good. I feel like if I had been in season 2 instead of season 1, I would have been freaking out a lot more. First of all, like menswear I feel like it's more difficult to use than denim. And then also the stuff they're making, I can't even imagine it. Like I see like ties. I just see ties, and now it's like a skirt and a whole dress. And what?
You guys just don't realize there are people right now practicing their upcycling so that they can be like you one day, so they could be on the show, so that they can share, so that they can show other people what they can do. And I just think that is just amazing that you guys, can have that type of impact. It makes me so happy. I don't know if you can tell, but they have definitely grown so much as designers, and I'm so proud and so happy for them. If you want to learn how to upcycle, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're interested in being a contestant one day, definitely I put a link in the description box where you can sign up for notifications for season 3. Now voting is done. You guys have voted to see who's going to be the top 2 to move on to the season finale, and I'll announce that at the beginning of next week's episode. And in that episode, you'll get to see with Wendy, the DIY designer, and Jess deliberate and figure out and crown the next top upcycler. You can join me live for the premiere to talk in the chat, just chit chat, answer to congratulate the contestants and the winner at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time next Saturday. And as always, I have a whole host of other videos for you to watch right here to keep you upcycling, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.